Okay.
So what number you will raise to the both sides to make this, on the left side as 1?
2.
If you'll raise it 2, it'll become a to the -1, right?
Yeah.
So why not
Oh,
to
-2.
-2? So raising -2 to both sides. So it'll become a to the 1 equals x to the -2. That is the
Yeah.
answer. So a is equal to x to the -2, but this is not represented in x to the -2 form. One more thing, if you're having 2 to the -3, what does this mean? This is actually 1 divided by 2 to the 3.
Yeah.
So if you're having x to the -2, what does this mean?
-1. No, 1 over x to the 2.
Exactly. So which option?
C.
Correct. Are you getting this?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, so that was 13. Can you try 14?
Which of the following is a value for x? For which the expression -3 x squared plus x minus 10 is undefined.
Undefined.
What does that mean?
We can't define it like that. Means anything divided by 0 is not defined, right?
Yeah.
So that means this whole thing should be 0.
So can't we just plug in the numbers?
You can do that, but yeah, you can do that.
3 squared, 9 plus or minus 9 minus 10. So it's not that. 4 minus 4 minus 10 now. It's not 0. 2 squared is 4 plus 6 minus 10. It's D.
Yes, you're right. Otherwise, you would have to do, either the quadratic formula or factoring or completing the squares to calculate the value of x, but you're already given, so just plug in.
Yeah.
You're right. So it's D. Undefined means when anything is divided by 0, when you're having 0 in the denominator.
Okay.
15.
A granite block in the shape of a right rectangular prism has the dimensions 30 centimeters. A granite block. 30 by 50 by 4. Oh, 30 by 40 by 50. Okay. The block has a density of 2.8 grams. What is the mass of the block in grams? Density is mass per unit volume.
Yes, so that means you have to calculate the volume.
Yeah.
So what will be the volume of this rectangular
40
prism?
times 30 times 50. 60,000.
Okay.
And the mass is 2.8. So it's 2.8 divided by, or is it 60,000 divided by 2.8?
No, it's like 2.8 divided by, it's per cubic centimeter, right? So density, block has, it's all, the density is given.
Oh, I see. Okay.
So 2.8 is equal to mass per unit volume, and that means 2.8
So
equals
60,000 times 2.8.
Yes, correct. Because we have to calculate the mass.
It's D.
2.8 times 60,000, it's 168,000, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that's option D. You're right. 15D. Correct. 16.
Wait. The table shows the result of a research study that investigated the therapeutic value of vitamin C in preventing colds. A random sample of 300 adults received either a vitamin C packet or a sugar pill each day during a 2-week period. And that adult reported whether they contracted a cold during the time period, what proportion of adults received a cold, received a sugar pill, contracted a cold? So the total is 300, but that doesn't matter. Total people that contracted a cold were 54. And so 33 over 54.
What proportion of adults who received a sugar pill?
Oh, no, 150.
150?
Yeah, because that's the total amount of people who were served a sugar pill.
Yeah, but they are already they are reporting that they are having the cold. Like those who have got the sugar pill, but they have reported that they are having the cold. Like number of adults contracting colds.
Yeah, the number of adults that contracted the cold was 54.
54 is the total, right?
Yeah,
What about those persons who are having sugar pill and they have got the
33.
cold? Think about it.
Well, 33.
33, right? Because that is the number, you
But
know,
that's not an option.
that's not the option, but that's what I'm thinking. Like, what was the problem here? Table shows the results of a research study that investigated the therapeutic value of the vitamin C.
No, because the problem is the total number who had the sugar pill was 150.
Okay.
And so 150 over 54.
But
No, 54 over 150.
okay,
No,
those who got
33.
that's what I'm thinking. A random sample of 300 adults received either a vitamin C pill or a sugar pill each day during a 2-week period, and the adults reported whether they contracted. So they are given the vitamin C pill or the sugar pill. Now, and then they are reporting that whether they are contracting the cold or not.
Okay,
So,
I figured it out. It's 33 over 150.
33 over 150. Okay, what proportion of adults who received a sugar pill
Because so
reported?
333 adults that received a sugar pill got the cold,
Yes, exactly.
but
That's
150 people in total received a sugar pill.
correct. So that is the
And
question.
that's
Mm-hmm.
and that's 11 over 50.
Right. So the proportion of adults who received a sugar pill, so that
Yeah.
is 150.
150.
And out of them, how many reported cold? 33.
33.
So that's it. 33 over 150, 11 over 50. So
Okay.
that was B. Correct.
Yeah.
17.
The table above shows the distribution of ages of 20 students enrolled in college classes. Which of the following gives the correct order of the mean, median, and mode of the ages? So the mode is 18.
Okay.
The median is
How many are total? How many students are total?
6 plus 5, 11 plus 4, 15. I'm just gonna do this on my calculator. 11 plus 4 plus 2 plus 3. It's 20 20.
Yeah, that's already given 20 students.
Oh,
So we have to check out the middle one.
yeah.
So that means it'll be,
Well, it'll be the 10th student.
10th and 11th, right? Because
Yeah.
20 is an even number, so we
But
have to
they're
take,
both 19.
they're both 19, so the median is 19.
Yeah.
Are you sure? The 10th and 11th is 19?
No, I'm not sure. I'm pretty
Yeah.
sure.
Yeah, that's right. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 10 and 11 are 19. So median is 19. You're right.
Okay.
What about the mean?
So that's all the ages added up.
Correct. But
So 8.
but in terms of You know, it's frequency.
Yeah,
18
so
is 6
18
times.
times 6.
Mm-hmm.
108 plus 19 times 5, 95 plus 20, 20 times 4, 180 or 80, 80, 80. And 21 times 2, 42. So 30 plus 23 plus 22 plus 42 plus 80 plus 95 plus 108. 20 is 20. So the mode is in the middle.
So mean is 20.
Yeah,
So mode is 18, median is 19, and mean is 20.
that's A.
Mean is greater than median, and that is greater than mode. That's A. We'll confirm it. 17. A, that's correct.
Okay.
18.
The figure below shows the relationship between the percent of leaf litter mass remaining after decomposing for 3 years and the mean annual temperature in Celsius in 18 forests in Canada. A baseline fit is showed. A particular forest in Canada whose data is not included had a mean annual temperature of -2. Based on the baseline fit, which of the following is closest to the predicted percent of leaf litter mass remaining in this particular forest after decomposing for 3 years? Wouldn't the point be closer to 0 than to
Oh yeah,
-5?
I'm sorry. Yes, exactly. So it'll be the middle one will be -2.5, and it'll be a little bit here, right?
Yeah, so wouldn't it be 70?
It is nearly 70, correct? We'll try to make a line also here. Yes, it is
Let's see.
70. So 18 C, that's correct. 19.
The range of the polynomial function f is the set of real numbers less than or equal to 4. If zeros of f are -3 and 1, which of the following could be the graphs? So -3 needs to be a 0.
Mhm.
So it could be A
Yeah, and
and C,
correct.
and that's it.
Um,
But it
Eh.
says they're less than or equal to 4.
and they're telling you the range is less than or equal to 4, right?
Huh,
What do you mean by range?
like all of the numbers?
The y values. Range is the y values, the output.
Oh, okay.
The domain is the input, the x values. So what is the range of the option A? What is the maximum value of y value? It's 4,
4.
and all the values less than 4, right?
Yeah,
So
so it's that one.
it's that one. It seems to be this one. And it's not C because the
Because
range
that
here.
one's -4 to all the positive values.
Exactly. So we are going towards option A, right?
Yeah.
Right. 19 is A. We are correct. 20.
The average annual energy cost for a certain home is $4,334. The homeowner plans to spend $25,000 to install a geothermal heating system. The homeowner estimates that the average annual energy cost will be $2,712. Which of the following inequalities can be solved to find T, the number of years after installing at which the total amount of energy savings will exceed the installation price?
That's a good question. You have to think about it a little bit.
It's not B.
Okay.
I think it's C.
You have to give the explanation and should be
Because
confident.
4,334 doesn't have anything to do with T.
It has to do. See,
But once you install the thermal thing, you're no longer paying the 4,334.
yeah, but if you're not having the geothermal thing, then how much you have to give every year?
That.
4,334, right?
Oh, so it's A because you're subtracting what you pay now?
You're having two conditions, right?
Yeah.
One is without the geothermal thing. So you have to, every year you have to give 4,334, right?
Yeah.
So for T years, how much will it be?
4,334 T.
Correct. Now, if you have installed geothermal plan, so you have spent $25,000 in one go, and every year you have to spend how much?
2,712.
Correct. So for T years, how much will that be?
Well, T.
Correct. 25,000 plus 2,712 T. So these are the two conditions, without the geothermal thing and with the geothermal thing. Now it's telling you which of the following inequalities can be solved to find T, the number of years after installation at which the total amount of energy cost savings will exceed the installation cost. So
I guess it would be the division one.
No, division will not give you the,
Yeah,
how
then
much.
it's A.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say, that why is it A?
Well, because you have to subtract.
It's exceeding the installation cost.
Yeah, because so 25,000 is bigger than what you were paying before, minus what you're paying now times years.
Okay, so you're saying that 25,000 is the installation cost, and we are exceeding the installation cost. That means it's bigger. We're exceeding the installation cost, right?
Yeah.
The total amount of energy cost savings is 4,334 minus 2,712 T, and you're saying that it's 25,000 is greater than this.
Yes.
Okay, I'll check it first. 20. That's B. That's what I was thinking. 25,000 is the installation cost, right? And 4,334 minus 2,712 T is the difference in the amount, is the saving. And the saving is exceeding the installation cost. Check out the question.
Yeah.
So
Okay, yeah.
4,334 T minus 2,712 T. This is the savings which we are doing every year. That is exceeding the installation cost.
Yeah, that's bigger. Okay.
Exactly. That is bigger than 25,000.
That makes sense.
So that's option B.
Yeah.
Okay, so should we do 21?
Can we leave it here?
Yeah, we can stop here because
Okay.
you'll be completing test paper 9, right?
Yep.
And do you have those like topics or the work which you have done till now so that you can revise the things all together
Yes.
if you want?
Yeah.
Okay, you should always, you should be giving a look on those notes which you have made, maybe, twice a week at least,
Okay.
because that is very important. Otherwise, the things will go on coming out from the memory. So You may not be using them again and again. So that's why you have to go on checking them again and again.
Okay,
Any questions for today?
nope,
Okay, then so we'll be meeting next week maybe,
yeah,
and you'll be trying the test paper 9, right?
yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.